Hello, this is Tech for You GH Consulting, and you warmly welcome back to day 18 of our 90 Days SL Skills Mastery Challenge. Today is all about speed. Today, if you are still typing month like January, February, March before you get to December or one by one, you are wasting a lot of time. Today, I am going to show you the fill handle, what we call the AutoFill or the flash fill. It is the tiny green, squared that does all the work for you. So we are going to generate months, we are going to generate days, we are going to generate a long list of numbers in seconds. And so that's the activity. Let's go in. Okay, so we are in day 18 and we are looking at fill handles and autofill. So the concept here is that the fill handles is the small green square in the bottom right corner of a selected cell. It allows Excel to guess the next item in a pattern and then complete it for you. So three ways to use this one. We have what we call the series, which is the month, the date, and then we can have the day, the week, and all that. We type them and complete them. We also can have 1, 2, 3, and you must type two numbers, and then first you can drag down to fill up to the number that you want. And then we can also do the flash fill, which is the advanced form of it. We will look at the first name and the last names in a column, and that will bring us to the end of this lesson. So let's get to work. So in case you want to type, you are working and then you complete one formula and you need to do the formula for all of them. The thick green button that is here is your autofill. So you put your cursor on it, you drag it, and then it is going to fill it different with the same formula for you for any of the cells that you copy to dress. So if you come to the month like this and I type January, so we type January like this and then I click it down, Excel is identifying to complete the task for me. If I do Monday, and then I'll just go to the green color, put it on it, drag, Excel will complete the task for me. This is what we call the autofill. Excel identified what should be next. Whereas it has the intelligence to determine what is next and follow it for you. So that is technically what you can do. We can do 1, 2, and then we can drag to as many number that we want. Excel will be able to know that we are typing 1, 2, 3 up to where we have ended. So that is the autofill. It has the intelligence to identify and to complete it for you. So that's so simple. You can type anything that looks sequential in Excel. AutoFill will be able to complete it for you. So like the month, like the days of the week, and that like one numbers from 1, 2, 3 up to, we can even start from 5, 6, and then you can drag it from the green side and it will still continue it for you. So that is the autofill for you. Now let's look at the senior brother to the autofill, which is called the flash fill. Very, very small, tiny, but very intelligent in helping you speed up with your data brushing. So flash fill is an amazing tool. I love it so much because I do a lot of data cleaning, and flash fill helps me to get the work done so easy and simple. So assuming you have inherited the data like this, and then you have the first name and the last name or the same name in one cell, and your role is to be able to separate them into different cells. So you want to go and type all of them. Flash fill says that don't type all of them. Just tell me what you want to do and I'll follow it for you. In that case, you need to just type one. So let's say coffee. Once we type coffee, we get a flash fill. Once we type coffee, we can select the rest or select one and then go to the data tab and then you go to flash fill. The shortcut is Control E. So you click on flash fill. Excel will identify the pattern you want to. So John Akosia Kwame, and then it continues that to select all of them. This is called amazing flash fill. Very tiny, but it does a lot of great work for you. So if it is about surname, I'll just type Mensa. And once I am done with Mensa, I'll do my Control E. You select the next cell and then do the Control E, which is a shortcut of flight fill, and boom, all of them will come for me. The more amazing one that even comes is that I need a surname, comma, and the first name. So let's look at what we do. I'll do Kwame. I'll do, sorry, Mensa, comma, space, Kofi. Once I do comma, space, Kofi, and then I come here, Excel will have that intelligence to control and continue the work for me. This is what we call the flight fill, the senior brother of AutoFill. Very, very amazing in data cleaning, data brushing era. It helps you do the work and increase your speed. So I would want you to test and try your hands on, and you will see this amazing tool in helping you. So today we have looked at the AutoFill and the flight fill in helping us complete a task or cleaning our data. Very, very amazing. And it gets us to do the work more. So you got to go over and learn them. You have some assignment here for you, and this is a bit tricky. I have a lot of data, and I want you to be able to complete it. How tricky it is, it's not difficult to do. So you try the product, and then you type just a product code. So here is our product code. And then the product code here is P101. So once I type P101, I can type another P102. And then technically you can type P103. But once you type here, Control E will complete all the tasks for you. So continue with the assignment and do the rest. And then when you are done, don't forget to go to the comment section and type assignment 18 completed successfully, and hit the notification bell. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe as well and remain subscriber of our channel. We get to learn a lot of things. We get to learn and develop our skills. Don't forget to keep your comment coming. Join any of our WhatsApp channels so that if you have any question, if you have any challenge you want to us to help you to address, we are more than willing to help you grow in this Excel skills. Thank you very much, and see you in the next day. Thank you.